If you're wondering how to change the mode on your Aile infrared thermometer, it's easy to do. So right now, when we have the cover on, it's going to be in forehead mode. So pretend now my hand is your forehead, then you would go up to the person you want to measure and you would take the temperature. And it's taken it there. But let's say now if you want to measure the temperature in somebody's ear, well, what we have to do is we have to take off this little cover here. So once we take off the cover, it will automatically go over to the ear mode. Can you see now it's changed from there? And if you're wondering how it does that, it's because there's a little switch just here. And when we press that switch in, it changes to forehead mode. Can you see there's a picture of a face there? Let go and it goes to ear. Press it in again, it goes back to face. So that there is ear mode. So you would put that in the person's ear, press the button, which I'll do now off camera. And there you go, it takes the temperature from somebody's ear. Now let's say if you want to actually take the temperature off an object, well, if you go to the mode button at the side, can you see now, because we're in ear mode, every time I hit the mode button, it's going to go between a cup of coffee and the ear. Yeah? So this is how we take the temperature off an object. And there you go, you can see now that that temperature is higher than my body temperature. If you want to put this back on, you simply line up that bottom bit with that bit there. So put the hole at the top, and just put it in there. And now you can see if we hit the mode button, it will go between the coffee and the face. Yeah, so you do that to measure someone's forehead. And then give it a few seconds after the reading to measure an object, press that mode button to go to the coffee, and then it will give a reading of the object itself. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.